And now we have to think about the Hobbywing system, engine and ESC. I have connected the engine, the wires, to the ESC, respecting ABC. This is important. I have connected the sensor cable, and there are two arrows in order not to connect wrongly the sensors. I have to carry this wire of the AC to the receiver. I have to change this socket as I use the Dean's one. Where is it? This one, Dean's. And this wire, the servo wire, is a little bit too short, so I have found this. The wires are a little bit thinner, but I use servo with 6 volts, so it's okay. And after this I have to undo the motor from the transmission, because when you check the ESC, when you program the ESC, it's better not to have wheels working. So open this, take out the motor, the engine, and then do all this very long procedure. Connect to the phone. Here you connect to the phone, and from the phone you have a lot of options, very important options. The ESC is already set with standard options. They are pretty nice, quite good, but the work, I think, is a little bit long. So this is quite a special on the Hobbywing crawler combo setup. Stop speaking, start working. Comments, like, and subscribe. I always remember. Okay, now all the wiring is complete. This is longer. This is the plug for the lights, and this is the switch. Later we have to connect this into this, and so on. By now, here it is in this way. Later, if everything works, I will put all the cables in a good order, and okay, we can do a little trial. The servo is quite okay. So the radio is on, the fan is plugged here, works, steering very well. It is not perfectly aligned, but I think that I don't have to move the servo horn. And the engine, wonderful. Look how slowly can go. This is wonderful. Now we have another work to do. Okay, thank you. And it is to check the throttle. After checking the throttle, I have standard settings. They are here on the instructions. And so it will take a little while. I do this, then I return back. And here we are. At the end, all the electronics is connected. I have checked the sounding. The only thing I can check is the light switch, that it is here inside, and I'm very proud of this work because we have very few things around, and this will make in the future when I put lights, LEDs, LED into the car, the body. And by now I have this metal hydrate battery. It's quite enough. Engine connections are made. I have made the throttle, how do you say, calibration. And I think we can do a little trial. So, radio, switch on the radio. Then this start, steering, lot of steering, really a lot of steering, and now the engine. I have to reverse. I have to reverse. Wonderful. Okay, reverse, it's quite easy. Steering, throttle, reverse. Buy this radio. Wow. It's great. No, I have to change something. National battery. Little bit more. Okay. Now I can Wonderful, unstoppable. Unstoppable. Really unstoppable. Look. Very nice, very good servo. So the running trial is done, and now what else? Now I have to learn something, because I have on my phone the remote control, Bluetooth control, and it is this application here. Sorry for the screen that is broken, but I have put the plastic over so I don't lose pieces and I don't hurt myself. Now I have to learn, because there is something that I don't understand. Perhaps here I have to choose the model of the ESC, but I don't find Pro Xeron 120 120. I don't find this one. Aircraft, RC boat, cars is selected. I have to study here. Well, we have not finished, because next step we have to do the pilot, some stickers, some more stickers. Would like to also these stickers, and the pilot, body clips, and what else? I have an idea, because here it is. Very easy. This space between the body and the fenders is quite big. Perhaps I can use with a tire tube. I can cut and arrange a little extensions for fenders. Next days I will do, and I will show you. By now, remember, subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and please give me a like if you like. If you don't like, I'm sorry, tell me why. Bye bye.